Hello everyone, I am Gurumurthy, Max teacher, the Optimus Public School, Bhavani. The last video we saw successor and predecessor, order of numbers, ascending and descending, and building numbers. If you have any doubt in these topics, please go through the previous video and come to this. In this video, we are going to see rounding numbers. Kabil had noted down the number of pencils and erasers in his stationery shop, but he has lost the note. All he remembers is that there were about 50 pencils and 80 erasers. Later, Kabil found the note. There were exactly 47 pencils and 82 erasers in his shop. The numbers 50 and 80 are close to the exact numbers. 47 is close to 50, so he rounded it up to 50. 82 is close to 80, so he rounded it down to 80. Sometimes in real life, we make estimation as we don't know the exact number of something, like there are 50 students in a class, or there are about 1000 people in our locality. But does estimation means just guessing? No, it is much more than that. A simple example, there are 38 students in our class. If someone asked approximately how many students are there, then you can say about 40 students. Is it right estimation? Let us use a number line to represent the numbers from 30 to 40. See, this is 38. It is between 30 and 40. If you see closely, 38 closer to 40 as compared to 30. So, we rounded up 38 to 40. If 33 students were there in our class, again use the number line. See, this is 33. It is between 30 and 40. If you see closely, 33 is closer to 30 as compared to 40. So we rounded down 33 to 30. Now you say, what about 35? If 35 students were there in a class, if we see the number line, 35 is exactly midway between 30 and 40. So we rounded up 35 to 40. So what did we do actually? Well, we rounded a number to its nearest to 10. When one's digit is 4 or less, we rounded down. 10th digit remains unchanged and the one's digit becomes 0. As for example, in case of 33, the one's digit is 3, and as it is lesser than 5, 33 is rounded to 30. It is nearest to 10. When the digit at one's place is 5 or more, we rounded up, meaning 10 digit is increased by 1 and one's digit becomes 0. As for example, in 38, the one's digit is 8, which is greater than 4. So 38 rounded up to 40. Hence, we increased 10's place by 1 and one's place is said to be 0. Same way other case also. So we conclude that the rounding numbers, the numbers are rounded off when we need only an estimation. Exact figures are not needed. Example, 8574. It's rounded to nearest to 10 equal to 8570. Next one, 3277 rounded to 10, 3280. Next one, 4565 is rounded to nearest to 10, 4570. Rounding to the nearest to 10 means when rounding a number to nearest to 10, look at the ones digits. If the digit at the ones place is 4 or less, round to the smaller 10. Then replace one's digit by 0 and retain the other's digits. If the digit at one's place is 5 or more, round to the bigger 10, then increase the 10's digit by 1, replaced by one's digit by 0. Dear children, the another way of rounding numbers, that means the peak and valley method. Here, this folded number lines looks like mountain, peaks and valleys. The mountain's peak shows the numbers that is halfway between the tens or the valley. Example, a ball on 26 will roll to 30. 26 is rounded to 30. Next one, a ball on 44 will roll to 40. 44 is rounded to 40. Dear children, I have shown rounding coaster with the example for your better understanding. Dear kids, try this. Pause the video, write the answer. Thank you. We'll see you the next video.